of the biggest extracurricular activities that's defined my high school career is playing competitive soccer outside of school. So I've played for a club called Heat FC since I was in 4th grade, and with playing competitive soccer came a lot of travel, and I missed a lot of school, but Coral's staff and administration were always incredibly supportive. They understood that playing soccer outside of school was something I was extremely passionate about and wanted to pursue at a college level, so they were always completely understanding and supportive. With the guidance of Mr. Ishmael particularly, I was done with my standardized tests by my sophomore year, and I had all the courses that I needed. I spent a majority of my summertime going to different college camps, talking to coaches, visiting campuses, and all of that hard work, particularly in my first 2 years of high school, led me to verbally commit to play Division I soccer at Yale University in the fall of next year. So I'm super excited. Thank you. I'm super excited to be heading there in the fall to get a great education and represent my school on the soccer team. And I know for a fact that making that dream a reality would not have been possible without the support and guidance that Coral has provided. And for those of you that have children that are athletes, whether they just want to play at the high school level or pursue it into college, just know that Coral will 100% support them whatever direction they choose to go. And I'm 100% confident that staying at Coral for high school was one of the best decisions I've ever made, and I hope you all make the same.